The bed frame is complete. So I'm gonna walk you through kind of what we did here.
Hi. Come on. Hi, baby. I'm making your bed. I'm gonna give you a bed.
You're on air. It's just always your back. Okay, so what do you want me to do? Okay, so I just want to explain what we're doing here. We decided for the bed we wanted to brace it below our 2x6 because it gives me more room up here to just have more headspace to be able to sit on the bed. So the 2x4s that we got are going to go from this bracket over to this bracket and so on. And right now we're planning to do 3 of them across. And then we're going to slat with 1x4s. And so I will show you that in a second. But this was the first part of the bed. Beauty! Yeah! Not what? Good enough?
No, it's not. Well, not much.
Is it moving? Can you look underneath? Like, look at the...
Yeah, it is a little bit.
Okay, but what if 2 people were in this bed?
Are you sleeping?
Yeah? That was caught on camera.
The way you read.
We went off a little bit. That's 1/2 inch. The reason being that we are going to... The reason being that I'm going to have a little wall that comes here and comes down. So it's going to just match up right under here so there's something to drill into it. So that's all the way to the other end. We made sure, oh, you can't see that in. We made sure here to go as far as it'll go here against this, which is where the bed is going to end. Again, our 1/2 inch against the wall. And then back there, we notched it out so that I can put a little shelf along that side for like a glass of water or something like that. And it's the same over there as well. We chose to go with the 2x4s as the base, and then 1x6s as the slats that go on the top of the bed. We chose this because it's sturdy for 1, and then for 2, it is cheaper than plywood because we would have needed 2 sheets of plywood because a full-size bed is 54 inches and a sheet of plywood is 48 inches. So we would have needed 2, which would have been at this point like more than $120 just for the top of the bed because wood is so expensive, and I believe these slats were $80, so a little more than 1 piece of plywood. So we just took them, we have 9 of them, laid it across the 5 2x4s on the bottom, and then just screwed them in, and this is not going anywhere.